Good morning, students. I hope all of you are well. And today we have to do the applications of integral. Applications of integral we do earlier, and now we have to continue with this. First of all, we have to remind what is the area under the curve. The definite integral a to b fx dx or integral from a to b y dx gives the area between the curve y is equal to fx, x-axis, and the lines x is equal to a and x is equal to b. That means integral from a to b fx dx is area under the curve y is equal to fx. That means we have the curve lies on or above the x-axis and between the values x is equal to a and x is equal to b. And now we have to do filling the blanks. An area is always dash. Remind कीजिए, yes, the an area is always positive. The definite integral is dash for areas above x-axis and but dash for areas below x-axis. Yes, the definite integral is positive for the areas above the x-axis and but negative for the areas below the x-axis. But area is always positive, and therefore for below x-axis we remove this negative sign. That means we have to take the modulus of this. If the curve contains even powers of x, then it is symmetrical about which axis? Yes, it is symmetrical about y-axis. Good. And if the curve contains even powers of y, then it is symmetrical about x-axis. यानी कि अगर इवन पावर्स ऑफ x है तो y एक्सिस के सिमेट्रिकल है और इवन पावर्स ऑफ y है तो x एक्सिस के सिमेट्रिकल है. इज इट क्लियर? अपोजिट होता है ये हमारे पास. इफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड when x is replaced by minus x and y by minus y, then the curve is symmetrical in which quadrant? Yes, symmetrical in opposite quadrants. Very good. And now we have example. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the curve and the line shown, and also find the area enclosed by the curve and the line. Here the curve is y is equal to 2x minus x square and line is y is equal to x. We have to find the point of intersection. To find the point of intersection, we have to solve the equation simultaneously. That means substitute y is equal to x in the given equation of curve is equal to 2x minus x square. It becomes x is equal to 2x minus x square. Again simplifying, x square minus x is equal to 0. This implies x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. These are the 2 points. And now substitute in x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 in y is equal to x. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. That means 0, 0 and 1, 1 are the point of intersection of line and the curve. And now to find the area between curve and the line. This curve and the line. That means the area required is under the curve between 0 and 1. 0 and 1, this area, minus the area under the line. Area under the line, that means this area we have to subtract. That means area of triangle. This area of triangle we have to subtract. And now this can be done by two methods. The first one is find the area under the curve. Area under this curve y is equal to 2x minus x square, that is limits from 0 to 1 because it is in between the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. That means therefore we have to take the limits 0 to 1. Y dx, y is here 2x minus x square. Substitute here 2x minus x square dx. Integrate this. It becomes x square minus x cube by 3. And then substitute upper limit, then lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. And you will get 2 by 3. And now the area of triangle. What is the area of a triangle? That is half of base into height. And what is the base here? The distance is 0 to 1. Base is 1 and height is 1. Therefore, area is equal to 1 by 2. And now the required area, that means area under the curve minus area of triangle, that is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Is it clear? And now we have to do the second method. In this second method, instead of finding the two areas and then subtracting, we can subtract the functions before the integration. You have to say this. That means if we have to subtract the function y is equal to 2x minus x square and y is equal to x, then we get 2x minus x square minus x, that is equal to x minus x square. And then its area is equal to 0 to 1 x minus x square dx, and that is equal to x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. And then substitute upper limit minus lower limit, and you will get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 6. Answer will be the same. जो आपको method अच्छा लगे उससे कर लीजिए. Is it clear? And now we have the next one. Find the point of intersection of the flowing curves and the lines and show the graphs in a sketch and shade the region bounded by the graphs and find its area. The curve is y is equal to x square plus 2 and here y is equal to 6. Second one is y is equal to 4 minus x square and y is equal to x plus 2. First of all, we have to do this one. Y is equal to x square plus 2 and y is equal to 6. First of all, we have to find the point of intersection. That means substitute the value of y in the first equation. Then it becomes x square plus 2 is equal to 6. And therefore, x square is equal to 4 and x is equal to plus minus 2. And y is equal to 6 for both the points. Because here, this line y is equal to 6 is there. That means the points are 2, 6 and minus 2, 6 is the point of intersection of the curve and the line y is equal to 6. And here you have to see y is equal to 6. This line is parallel to x-axis, and this parabola y is equal to x square plus 2. अब ये parabola क्यों है? अब क्योंकि वर्टेक्स तो रीजन नहीं है, तो वर्टेक्स और रीजन नहीं है, तो ये जो कर्व है हमारे पास, इस 2 को अगर हम इधर शिफ्ट कर दें, इट बिकम्स y माइनस 2. और हमने 11th क्लास में किया था शिफ्टिंग द ओरिजन. y माइनस 2 को कैपिटल y लेट कर लीजिए, कैपिटल y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास अपवर्ड पैराबोला है. और इसका जो वर्टेक्स है, वर्टेक्स ये ओरिजन क्यों नहीं है? तो जो कैपिटल y था, कैपिटल y इज इक्वल टू y माइनस 2, इसको 0 सब्सिट्यूट करोगे तो y की वैल्यू 2 आएगी और x की वैल्यू 0 आएगी. इट मीन्स द वर्टेक्स इज हियर 0, 2. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया बिटवीन line y is equal to 6 and the curve. That means we have to find the area of this shaded region is equal to area of rectangle minus area under the curve. Area of rectangle, that is this length is 6, y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6, that means this length, height is equal to 6, and this length, two distance is there, this length is equal to 4. And now area under the curve, area under this curve, that means y is equal to x square plus 2. We have to find this area, and now the limits will be, because it is between x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 2, and therefore we have to consider limits from minus 2 to 2 x square plus 2 dx. Then integrate this x cube by 3 plus 2x. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. We get that is equal to 16 by 3. That is the area under this curve. That means this area is 16 by 3. And the area of rectangle, that is 24. 6 into height is 6. Length is 4. 6 into 4, 24. 24 minus 16 by 3. That is the shaded region. That is equal to 18 is to 2 by 3 square units. I hope you understand this. And now the next one, y is equal to 4 minus x square and y is equal to x plus 2. That means, first of all, we have to find the point of intersection. To find the point of intersection, substitute y is equal to x plus 2 here. It becomes x plus 2 is equal to 4 minus x square. It becomes x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Make the factors of this. It becomes x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1. And now substitute x is equal to minus 2 in the line y is equal to x plus 2 to find the coordinates of the point of intersection. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 0. It means the point of intersection, one point is minus 2, 0. And second is when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. The second point will be 1, 3. And now we have to draw the graph. And again we have to take this curve for y is equal to 4 minus x square. Which type of parabola? Take this 4 on this side, it becomes y minus 4. Y minus 4 is equal to minus x square, and this y minus 4 you have to substitute capital capital Y is equal to minus x square, that is the downward parabola, and the vertex for this is 4, 0, 4, because this y minus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. It means the vertex is 0, 4 and the point of intersection is minus 2, 0, and this line, that is point is 1, 3, and we have to find this shaded region. To find this shaded region, we have to find the integral from minus 2 to 1, that is y of parabola minus y of area of this triangle. Either you have to write integral from minus 2 to 1 y of the line. आपकी मर्जी है लाइन के नीचे वाला एरिया इंटीग्रल की हेल्प से फाइंड करो या एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल वाले फॉर्मूले से करो. And now area under the curve, that is minus 2 to 1, 4 minus x square, it becomes 4x minus x cube by 3, and now substitute the limits and you will get 9. Area under this curve is 9. And what will be the area of rectangle? Area of this triangle, area of triangle is half of base into height, and base is this distance 3, because this distance, this will be 2 units and this will be 1, it becomes 3 units, and height, this point, this is also 3, because the point of intersection is 1, 3. and therefore it becomes 1 by 3 into 3 by 2, that means 9 by 2. And now area of this shaded region, that means area under the curve minus area of triangle. Area under the curve is 9 and area of triangle is 9 by 2, and we get 9 by 2 square units. I hope you understand this. And now if the curve crosses x-axis between the limits of integration, part of area will be above the axis and part below the axis. यानी कि जो कर्व है वो x एक्सिस को क्रॉस कर रही है और लिमिट्स बिटवीन द लिमिट्स, that means if we have y is equal to x cube, limits is between -1 and 1. This curve y is equal to x cube, this is the curve, and limits between -1 and 1. And now as you see, this curve is symmetrical in the opposite quadrant. In opposite quadrant, if we have to change y2 minus y and x2 minus x, the curve remains the same. It is symmetrical in the opposite quadrants. Because it is symmetrical in the opposite quadrants, and therefore this area will be 0. Because from -1 to 1 it is 0. But to find the area, we could integrate from 0 to 1 because of the symmetry and double the answer. Is it clear? And now, for a curve which was not symmetrical, we could find the two areas separately and then add. Is it clear? ये आगे आप अपने आप कर लेना. I hope कि आपको ये टॉपिक अब अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. ओके, और एक्सरसाइज 8.1 अब कंप्लीट कर लेना. थैंक्स एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.